Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. So today we are going to present about our general article that we choose, which is number 5, and the title is Arduino and yield-based direct filter observation method monitoring the color change of water filter for safe drinking water.
To present the introduction about our title, a measuring instrument is a tool that can be used to calculate the magnitude or value of a quantity or variable. A quantitative comparison of an unmeasured unknown quantity and a predetermined standard field. The measurement is the measurement of a specific parameter. Measurement is a procedure or action that makes use of an instrument to convert a parameter, quantity, or variable into understandable numerical values. So measurement gives us a true understanding of the process and gives us the parameters and statistics we need to get any additional modifications we might need in order to meet requirements and standards. Measurement is the process of comparing an unknown quantity to a known or standard quantity.
Identify factors. This report represents a direct filter monitoring system for water tank filter in apartment complex using Arduino and LOT technology. The system uses grayscale, RGB color, and pressure sensor to identify turbid water inflows. The system uses an R-square value of 0.9 or higher to analyze the relationship between pressure change and turbidity of filtered water. The direct filter monitoring system can be used to manage water filter and maintain safe water supply in apartment complex. The system has the potential to improve drinking water quality by detecting turbid water inflow. The system can be used widely to manage water filter and maintain safe water supply in apartment complex.
The list of physical variables are temperature, turbidity, potential of hydrogen, color light value, pressure, volume, time interval, concentration, and the signal to noise ratio, and lastly is sensitivity.
Next is identify measurement system elements. The measurement system elements. In this article, there are several different elements that are combined to measure the level of color change of the filter surface, namely analog, grayscale sensor, RGB color sensor, pressure sensor, and turbidity sensor. Finally, the grayscale sensor, RGB color sensor, and pressure sensor were selected to design the filter monitoring system, and the turbidity of inflowing and filtered water was directly measured using a turbidity meter. After calibration using the standard solution for every experiment, the system proposed to use the direct filter observation method based on Arduino and IoT that monitors water filter color change for safe drinking water, and also use a data system to be able to collect data about the color change of the water filter. The RGB color sensor communicated with the Arduino Megaboard through a digital integrated circuit. Whilst the grayscale and pressure sensor communicate in analog format, the grayscale sensor captures the optical or electrical signal from the filter begin monitoring. The sensor output may be weak or require amplification to bring it to a suitable level for further processing. Additionally, any necessary conditions such as noise filtering or signal stabilization may be applied to ensure accurate measurement. The amplified and conditional signal is fed into the ADC. As a result, the analog data received is converted into digital data using an analog digital converter that's called ADC. Included into the MCU. The MCU executes a specific function utilizing data from the sensor and transfers the data via wireless connection using a 3D model. Next is draw of block diagram. So here is the picture that we can see. As shown figure 2, a water filtering system is a mechanism that is designed to remove solid particles, tiny or large, from inside a liquid through the use of a filter medium that only allows the liquid to pass, but restricts particles. A basic water filter removes the impurities through the use of a fine physical barrier to lower the level of contamination. The filter purifies the water at different levels to be used for various purposes, like supplying clean water for the public, agriculture water free from contaminants, and water to be used for industry purposes like cooling system.
The bill of material are divided into two parts, which is hardware part and software part. For the hardware part, there are 8 materials. First of all is analog grayscale sensor and RGB color sensor. Second, pressure sensor, turbidity sensor, turbidity meter, sediment filter, carbonate, and last but not least is aluminium. For software part, there are 3 main materials, which is data logger, analog and digital converter, which is ADC, and Grafana web monitoring program.
The application of the system. In everyday uses application of the measurement system in our life, filter play an important role from many other applications. For instance, power supply, audio, electronic and radio communication are a few examples of such application. The 4 major types of filter are low pass, high pass, band pass, and notch or band reject. Filters can be active or passive. The filters clean the water to varying degrees so that it can be used for a variety of things, such as providing clean water for drinking, contaminant-free irrigation water, and water for industrial use like cooling system. There are many applications that uses filters. The first one is radio communication. If the other signal have a different frequency contents, filters allow radio receivers to only see the desired signal while rejecting all other signals. Number 2 is DC power supply. Filters are used to remove noise or understand high frequency from AC input lines. The output of a power supply is also filtered to lessen ripple. The third is audio electronic. In order to direct low frequency audio to woofers, mid-range frequency to mid-range speaker, and high frequency sounds to tweeters, a crossover network is a network of filters.